In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to improve your battery life on your ASUS laptop or tablet computing device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings here. Open that up. On the left panel, select System. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select the power option here. And then versus power mode, optimize your device based on power use and performance. Click the drop down and select the option for best power efficiency. Do that for on battery as well as plugged in. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.